Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Tiwari and today's debate topic is government school versus private school. I favor private school is much better than the government school. Like private school is better than government school because in government school, most of the government school the proper study is not done in the most of the government school, and in government school the student does not teach about the student does not teach about the manners and the manners or the ethics. Students are not taught about
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I would like to initiate the debate, and I favor that government school is far better than private schools. In my opinion, government school is far better than private schools because nowadays government schools are developing, and in government school there are those children who does not have that much who do not have that much money to admission to afford a private school, and nowadays government schools are growing, and government school studies are
as you
more
mentioned,
better than
nowadays government school are growing, it is growing, but the private schools are really well developed and plus they are in private school most of the students use English, so that's why the English get more fluent, they get more fluent in English, but in government school they learn about bad things or mainly abusive languages.
Hello everyone. My name is Aaron. I would like to do a debate with Saksham brother. My topic is government school is better than private school. Are better than private school because in government school they don't give money, but they can but the education is free for them, and they can develop,
But just because the education
they can get job in their in future, and they can earn, and they can maintain their family.
but just because the free education we cannot risk the career of the student, because as like your teammate also mentioned, the government school are still growing, but the private school are developed.
Mostly private schools are developed because they get money, and most of the government schools don't get much funds.
We also pay taxes to the government, so indirectly we are paying to the government for the school.
Sir, what do you say, Nita? Leader. The leader don't pay doesn't pay much tax, doesn't pay much funds to government school. That's why they don't develop easily. That's why. And the students gives money to the private school so they can develop and they can get teachers. But in the government school, the teachers are have more experience than the private.
In the private school, the teachers have the degree and the degree of the MA or anything or any other courses. Plus, in government school, most of the teachers did not know about the chapters. They just sir, मैं speak in Hindi. रटने को क्या कहते हैं? They just cram the chapter and just recite to the students.
No, in government schools there is exams for the teacher to crack that exam, and after that they get job. Teachers sir, मैं speak in Hindi. Teachers रट के नहीं आते. Teachers don't cramp. Teachers teach that new things, and their students are
That is the main problem. Teachers don't teach new things because teacher doesn't come into the class. In the class of the teachers don't come in the class.
no teachers come in class, and in all classes.
In the most of the government school, teachers don't come in the class. Plus, the study of the government school is not that much higher, that much good as compared to private school.
In the government school, the teachers are more than the private school, and the private school
More than the
more than the private teachers. And in a subject there are two and three, or more than 2-3 teachers in a particular subject. So every teacher can.
it's
So,
about quality, not quantity.
but in but they have, if the student don't understand the topic from one teacher, they can go to another teacher to understand well.
In private school, student can also ask their doubt individually. Also, they can also go for the staff room for the student, for the teachers to ask their doubts.
And private school is more expensive than the government schools. Private schools is nowadays like a business.
Even in the government school, what is happening in the exam sheet, students are putting money in the sheets so that they can get passed. But in private school,
It also happens. Sorry
if
to
you can-
interrupt. It also happens in private schools.
But
The
in private-
teachers are really greedy
But in private school, the strict action also, action also taken for the student. And plus in private
as
school,
well in government.
in government school, most of the teachers just take the money and pass the students. There
How
are lot
can
of
you say
there are
that?
lot of
How can you
cases. There
say
are
that?
lot of cases. Even even for the counseling, if someone is for the counseling, if someone is going to the government school, the most of the students the most of the students of the government just abuse them or show their behavior.
But that thing is not work in government schools. That done by private schools. That is done by private schools, and teachers leak the paper. For example, Rajkumar school, they, sir मैं speak in Hindi, वो
Highlight any individual school.
okay.
There are
मैं
many schools.
मैं स्पीक इन हिंदी. कोई स्कूल अपना एग्जाम का पेपर जो आएगा पहले, वो पहले से ही बता देते हैं.
Some school
Some schools,
they release the question paper
they release the question paper
before the exam.
before the exam.
Like if we take about the board exams, teachers say that this will definitely come, this topic will definitely come. That's like in the private school, for the final examination, those students are not well prepared for the exam. So teacher told them that to prepare this topic, this will definitely come. So I don't think that it will be considered as a cheating or any like fault thing.
But some teachers leak the paper completely with every question,
Like
and
you like
they
okay,
provide PDF.
they like some teachers leak the paper, but if we say the higher education system like board
Board is
the
in
board exam,
government. Board is in government sector.
that's what I'm saying. In the board examination, most there are a lot of times that papers are get leaked. Like in 2018 class 10, the paper get leaked.
But in the
Maths, there on two papers get leaked: maths paper and social science paper. And plus, because of that, most of the students get passed.
but in private institution, they also leak the paper, and
Like you can consider
And-
it
and the student-
in the private institution, but it was in higher level. Like most of the students, like from the private and the government, all the students' efforts, hard work was worthless.
and in this and in the private students, they humiliate the middle class family students, and they flex their valuables to each other.
I don't think so that this happened, because in government school it is not like that. In government school, only those people come that are less fortunate, because in some of the parents send their
I said private.
like maths.
And in private schools, students done their ragging uh, of the weak children.
Like there's in also government. I have also mentioned that before. In government school, it is mostly happen in the government school. All those things you guys are talking about.
and in the private students and teachers they somewhat comment on other students
In
on the
government,
behalf of their culture.
okay, someone outside is coming for the someone from outside coming for the counseling for your school, and most of the cases government school student just abuses that guy, or that shows the reputation of the school.